Rasikajana, Namo Namaha. It was too late for me to meet you all because I was having very good time in a conversation with a person who is working in the field of children education. Hello, those who are joining, Deeps, I can see you are joining. So I was having a very interesting discussion about learning and specifically for learning for children with Mr. Gautam Sri Krishna, and we decided to talk for an hour or so, but it took a little longer and I had a very good time in that discussion. So the discussion was about learning. So I thought of sharing how we should learn anything, how anybody, even children and us, how can we efficiently learn anything. So what the ancient wisdom in Sanskrit has to say about it. So I remembered one shlok from childhood which I had learned in childhood. Okay, I can see some more people joining in. So I will talk about that shlok which indicates the importance of learning as well as what is the way to learn and to earn money. So the way to learn and earn is Kshanashah kanashashchaiva vidyamartham cha sadhayet Kshanathyage kuto vidya kanatyage kuto dhanam. So how one should learn or vidya, how one should gain vidya, that is Kshanashah, by every moment. If you waste the moment that you have without learning anything, without understanding what you can learn, what new thing you can learn, then if you give away your moment, that precious moment, in laziness, then you will not be able to learn anything or progress towards the path of learning. Similarly, Kanashaha artham cha sadhayet. If you want to earn money, if you want to achieve wealthiness, if you want to be wealthy, then what is the way? The way is to earn or to gather money bit by bit. So you should not be wasting the money you have earned in any insignificant way just for sake of spending it. The spending should be meaningful. That's why you should recognize each and every opportunity to earn money and to gain money. Earn and gain meaning to keep money and to make different ways make different ways to earn money, right? Every opportunity that you have should be utilized for that. And the next line says Kshanathyage kuto vidya kanatyage kuto dhanam. Kshanathyage, if you waste such precious moments, you won't learn, you won't go further on the path of gaining knowledge. Same way, if you don't keep the money you are gaining, or if you don't identify Kanatyage, if you give no importance to the money that you have earned, then what will be the result? You won't be wealthy, you won't gain wealthiness, right? That's why it is very important that we give importance to Kshana, every moment when it comes to learning, and Kana, that is every piece of money, every bit of money that you have or you are going to earn in future. So with this quick brief meaning, I wanted to share the way to earn and learn with you, and I hope that was useful for you. And that's all for today. I hope you are visiting my videos that I'm posting for different shlokas, and you are trying recitation and you are trying to make Sanskrit Bhasha part of your life on regular basis. If you face any problem, then please reach out to me and I can help you in chanting or understanding meaning of any specific shlok or mantra. Okay, so that's it for today.